San Gimignano, Italy. A medieval dream, illuminated by night. Nestled in the rolling hills of Tuscany, San Gimignano is a town that feels plucked straight out of a medieval fairy tale. Known as the Town of Fine Towers, its striking skyline lit by the moonlight whispers tales of centuries past. Wandering its cobbled streets captivates you by the charm of this UNESCO World Heritage site. Entering the town through one of its ancient gates, the faint golden light spilling from windows welcomed me into a world where time seemed to have paused. The shadows cast by towering stone walls told of San Gimignano's once thriving days as a hub of wealth and commerce during the 13th century. These majestic towers, originally built as symbols of power and wealth by feuding families, are now enduring reminders of the town's storied past. There's something haunting yet beautiful about their simplicity against the night sky. Wandering further, you come across the fortress walls, cloaked in ivy, illuminated subtly by strategically placed lights. The rugged texture of the stones tell tales of resilience. These walls have witnessed centuries of change, from medieval battles to modern tourists, yet they stand proud, guarding the secrets of San Gimignano. It's here, under the shadow of the fortress. Pause for a moment of quiet reflection. The cool evening breeze carried the scent of blooming flowers, a stark contrast to the history etched into every stone. For centuries, these walls have been both a barrier and a beacon, offering protection and guiding travelers home. At the heart of the town lies Piazza della Cisterna, a square that feels like stepping onto the set of a medieval drama. Its essence, the wide-open square flanked by rustic stone buildings, softly lit cafes, and a sense of community that fills the air. The gentle hum of conversation mixed with the clinking of wine glasses creates an ambiance that feels timeless. The square, named after its central cistern, was once the lifeline of the town. Today, it's a gathering place where life slows down. Sit at one of the cafe tables, sipe on a glass of Vernaccia di San Gimignano, the town's celebrated white wine. It's an undeniable connection to the rhythms of this historic place. San Giovanni, the main street that winds its way through the heart of San Gimignano. Lined with artisan shops and gelaterias, this street is both a nod to tradition and a lively modern-day thoroughfare. At night, the warm glow of streetlights highlights the rich textures of the stone buildings, creating an inviting path for exploration. When to visit, San Gimignano transforms under the magic of the evening. Arriving late in the afternoon allows you to enjoy the town both in daylight and as it transitions to night. What to eat? Don't miss sampling Vernaccia di San Gimignano, paired with a plate of handmade pasta or local pecorino cheese. Where to explore? Piazza della Cisterna, the heart of the town and a perfect spot for people watching. Torre Grossa, climb the tallest tower for breathtaking views of the Tuscan countryside. Via San Giovanni, a vibrant street filled with shops, art, and local delicacies. Ways of getting there? If you're coming from Florence or Siena, consider using public transport or renting a car. The drive through Tuscany is as enchanting as the town itself. San Gimignano is more than a destination, it's an experience. Its medieval towers, fortress walls, and vibrant squares speak to a time when life moved slower, yet carried with it a richness of culture and connection. Visiting the town at night under the glow of its warm lights feels like stepping into a living postcard. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a lover of Italian cuisine, or simply someone seeking a serene escape, San Gimignano offers something unforgettable. What stories will you uncover when you wander the streets of San Gimignano?